Abby.
Hey, what?
What's it doing?
It's snowing.
It's what?
It's snowing.
No way. How do you know? How do you know that's
There's snow
snow?
on your face.
There's snow in my hair? Guess where else there's snow? Your hair.
God, my hair is wet.
Does Gussie like the snow?
God doesn't like the snow. Wow. Wow. Ooh.
Don't spray the water.
Well, it's stopped. Mom, the snow stopped.
No, it didn't either.
Snow is just ice, right?
Yeah. It sure is fun, isn't it?
Mama, look.
Yeah.
It's snowy. Mom, it's snowy.
Who do you think sent us the snow? You think Papa and Grandma Jen sent it from Pennsylvania for us? Huh?
God's in it.
God sent it?
No, Santa.
You think Santa did?
Santa did.
Did you ask Santa for snow?
It was frosty.
Oh, that makes sense, huh?
It was frosty. He's gonna drive all the way.
Frosty drives? What does he drive?
No, Santa's going to brush him like that. And we have to make him too.
I don't know if we'll have enough snow to make Frosty, but quite a lot coming down, isn't there?
But there's no white on the ground.
No, that means that's because it's not sticking. That means the ground is not cold enough yet.
The ground has turned into ice. Mommy, the pool's gonna turn into ice, crying poppies.
Then we can go ice skate on it.
Yeah. Why don't the ice rink? It's snowing floor! You have to sit this picture. Can you see the picture of the ground me in the snow?
Yeah.
Do it right now.
Right now. I bet it snowed at Grammy's house a lot today, too.
In Pennsylvania, it's snowing there.
I don't know that it is. I think it might be colder here. Isn't that crazy?
It might be colder at Dallas.
No. It's snowing really hard. It's like a little mini blizzard. It's beautiful, isn't it?
It's snowing!
Hey, you need to go put gloves and a hat on, girly.
No, I don't need gloves.
Your hands are turning red, red, red. Look at those fingertips.
That's different.
Come over here where I can see you. Yeah, come here. It's starting to stick.
It's sticking on the grass.
Yeah. Sure is. That's a lot of snow. It keeps getting in my mouth. Ball. Get it from the grass.
Oh.
Can you say hi to everybody? I'm gonna send this.
Hi!
What's happening?
It's snowing!
And where do we live?
In Beaumont, Texas.
Does it ever snow in Beaumont, Texas?
No!
No. Are you gonna? She got me. She got me again. Gus is eating it.
Woo!
See Gussie's pretty Christmas sweater, all ready for the snow. Gussie!
No.
Oh, Chrissy's getting bundled up now. You should put your wetsuit on.
This is basically a wetsuit.
Are you gonna fit into it?
Oh, this thing is huge.
Let's go see all the snow. It's December 4th, almost in time for our birthdays. It's birthday snow.
What?
I said it's birthday snow.
Why?
Because it's almost Daddy's and Grammy's and my birthday. And Aunt Kylie's.
My hands are cold.
Well, yeah, your gloves wet. You've been touching snow, which is water. Oh.
Here we are. We have Abby playing in the snow. She's all bundled up in her new winter coat and some pink gloves and a princess beanie. Amanda's got on ear warmers. Oh, other way.
Look at her. Look at Abby.
And there you go. Look how pretty she is.
I'm gonna get tangled here.
We got Gus here. Gus is kind of hard to see in all this white snow. Abby's got on her new boots. Let me see. Oh, she just pelted me with a snowball.